What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda Michelle. If you love everything home decor, you're in the right place. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Today I am excited to share with you guys my long-awaited living room tour. Can you tell I'm super excited? But of course, before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the YouTube fam. Follow me over on Instagram and on TikTok, where I share more home decor inspo. Guys, this video has been long awaited, but I'm really happy with the outcome of my living room. Of course, it's not fully done, but if I wait, then this video will never go up. And for the most part, I truly am happy with the way that it looks now. I will be sharing with you guys some of the changes that we still plan on doing in the near future and where every piece is from. I hope that from today's video, you guys can get a lot of inspiration to help you decorate yours. If you're someone that loves that organic, modern, earthy vibe, then you wanna keep on watching. But let me just stop rambling and let's get started. Let's just start right off with my sectional. I always get asked about this sectional, guys, and my husband and I are still very happy with this purchase. It was one of the first pieces we bought for our home, and I absolutely love it. It's really easy to maintain. It's really comfortable. It's from Crate and Barrel. I will link it down below for you guys. It's part of a collection that you can design your own like sectional, however big you want it, how many sections of it you would like, and it is low to the ground. I do want to point that out because it might not be for everybody, but for us, it's honestly been one of the best purchases, like I said. And for now, you know, my son is still really small. Maybe as he gets older, I will switch it out for something a little bit more stylish, but I'm really happy with this sofa. And whenever I have family and friends over, we all lounge around here, and I cannot tell you guys the amount of times that I have fallen asleep here. That's how comfortable it is, and it's really easy to clean as well. I just bring out my little green machine that I got from Amazon and I clean it up, and as you guys can see, it's still in really good condition. So I highly recommend this sofa. If you're on the hunt for a sectional, then definitely check this one out. Next up, my coffee table. This coffee table was actually gifted to me by Sunday's Furniture, and I've never done a round coffee table that I was really excited to just switch it up for my home, and I'm really happy that I did, because my husband and I have a lot of nieces and nephews that come over and visit us, and it's really soft around the edges. So if you're someone that has little ones, definitely go with a round table. It's much safer. I like to keep my decor very minimal, so I don't switch it up much. My coffee table books are from Amazon. I will link my Amazon storefront down below. It's some of my favorite coffee table books, like the Live Beautiful by Athena Calderone. She's one of my favorite interior designers. Like, I hope that one day I get to meet her. And then I also have the Exclusive Living in the Mountains coffee table books, which is actually on display twice. You guys can see that I have it wide open and then I have it closed. That's how much I love that book. Coffee table books are great for decorating. So if you're someone that struggles with decorating, pick yourself up some coffee table books. Home Goods carries amazing ones. And like I said, I will link down below the ones that I have. And these are my absolute favorite. That picture that I have it opened up to is like my living room inspo. Like, that's what I want my living room to look like. And I think I nailed it. I think it kind of does. I'll pop a little video so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I just love that book. I love looking through the pages. And for decor, I just have this little bowl that I got from all of Ateliers. It was also gifted to me. I was fortunate enough to get invited to their location out in Los Angeles and pick up some pieces for my home. If you're someone that loves vintage finds, you must check out all of Ateliers. I love them. The team is amazing. They're super nice. And yeah, they gifted me that piece, which I absolutely love. And I'm just burning one of my favorite candles, which was also gifted to me. I know it feels like everything was gifted to me, but no, that candle was actually gifted to me by my sister-in-law for my birthday. And that's pretty much all that I have out on display on my coffee table. I love this coffee table so much. Like I said, if you have little ones, definitely consider a round coffee table, and it's beautiful. I love the design, and Sunday's Furniture, it has a lot of great pieces at an affordable price, so definitely check them out. Next up, my little accent chair. That's my little teddy chair. When I tell you guys, my husband and I took a while trying to find the perfect accent chair. I knew what I wanted, but it was a matter of like biting the bullet on this one because it did cost a lot. I'm gonna be straightforward with you guys. It cost a lot, and I told my husband, I'm gonna try to find something very similar or something else before we make this purchase. And I looked for months, guys, and honestly, I just kept thinking back to this chair. And when I purchased it, I loved it 10 times more. Just being able to see it when I come in through my front door, it's like the first thing you see. I'm so happy with that purchase. It is a little bit on the pricier side, but it's worth every penny. And it is designed by my favorite interior designer, Athena Calderone. So I just love being able to show people when I open up the Live Beautiful coffee table book that this chair is in that book because she designed it with Crate and Barrel. So it's like a little, you know, it was a little treat to myself, and my husband loves it as well. It's very soft, it's super comfortable, and I'm really, really, really happy that I made that purchase. And just always keep in mind, guys, if you love something like a lot, I recommend you get it because then you will not regret that purchase. Now, the newest addition to our living room is my fireplace. So this is an electric fireplace. Hopefully I can find a video so you guys can see. When we purchased our home, this wall was completely empty. There was nothing here. My husband and I knew that with time we were going to do something with this wall, and it is finished, but in the future, I do want to add some shelvings on both sides to display my books because I'm a huge reader, so I do want to display some books and some decor. That is something that we will be doing in the near future, is adding some wooden shelves. Or actually, I'm not quite sure. I'm really, torn between wooden shelves or plaster shelves. So either way, we're definitely going to be doing some shelves on both sides so I can display some more decor. Now, I really wanted to go with something that will stand the test of time, which is why I went with this design for my fireplace. Of course, as you guys can see, I chose to go with the Taj Mahal quartz, which is the same stone that I have in my kitchen that I am absolutely obsessed with. I love it so much. The same contractors that did my kitchen did my fireplace. I will link them down below for you guys. They're an amazing team, and I'm very, very, very happy with the way that this fireplace turned out. I was very, very specific about the design because I wanted it to really stand the test of time. Like, there's no other way for me to say it. I feel that if I would have went with something too Spanish style or too Mediterranean, that I wouldn't be happy with it, because our home, even though it is very organic, modern, very Mediterranean inspired, it still has modern touches. And I feel like with this fireplace design, it still brings in that modern California feel. But with the stone, it still gives me that Mediterranean aesthetic. So I really, 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 really love this fireplace. We've enjoyed it quite some times already with our family, and I'm just obsessed with it. My decor, I have that beautiful vase that I also got from all of Ateliers, and I chose to style it in a way that I absolutely am obsessed with. I always see them doing that in their location. I'm like, I'm gonna do that. I just got a big piece from their location. I love these coffee table books as well. It is the Arranging Things and the Rural Retreats. These are two of my favorite. Like I said, you guys, I have all of my favorite coffee table books out on display. I have a million of them, but these are my favorites. And then these beautiful taper candle holders are from CasaPetalos, which again, I recommend them 100%. If you're someone that loves this aesthetic, this vibe, go and check out CasaPetalos. They're an amazing couple. They're killing it out there. And every time that I'm gifted some of their pieces, I am absolutely grateful. And if you guys are watching this, thank you so much for my pieces. I love having them out on display in my living room. Now, for the back part, I really wanted plaster or lime wash somewhere in my living room. Guys, if it were up to me, if I could do it myself, I would plaster my entire home. But let me tell you guys, these modern homes, they come with orange peel, okay? And yeah, that's needless to say, it's hell to remove it. So I chose to go ahead and just add it here behind my fireplace. It is a beautiful plaster color. I'm obsessed with the texture, and I just love the combination of the Taj Mahal stone with the plaster. And I'm obsessed with it, guys. I'm really, really happy. My husband put in work, okay? My husband and I both put in work, but we're very happy. When you see this in person, like, I'm sure you guys can see how beautiful it looks on camera, but when you see it in person, it's just, I love it. It looks old, but it's new. Pretty much what I love. I love old but new. That's like my style. And of course, we upgraded our TV to the frame TV, which I still want to get the wooden frame for it, but I didn't mind leaving it like this because it still matches the black accents that I have throughout my home. So yeah, I will link the TV that I have down below. And like I mentioned earlier, my style is very minimalist. So every now and then I will add some flowers or some candles. And for the holidays, I cannot wait to decorate this fireplace for Christmas time and for Halloween. So I'm really, 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 really happy. Now behind me, you guys can see it. Right behind me, I have this beautiful Australian tree. Oh, when I tell you guys, I was on the hunt for a tree to display here in my living room. I had to get some sort of greenery in here, okay? Like I kept telling my husband, we need greenery. We need greenery. When you are designing your home, bring greenery in. It just really brings everything to life. It ties everything together. And this beautiful tree is from Apostrophe Home, whom I was also lucky enough to get invited to their newest location in San Diego, where they carry the most beautiful plants and pots and decor and furniture. And I can't wait to go back and pick up some more pieces. So I will definitely link their information down below in the description box. But yeah, this beautiful tree behind me is perfect. It really gives me minimalist vibes. My husband and I water it once a week and she is thriving, okay? She's thriving. We love her and I'm really, really, really happy that I found the perfect tree for my living room. My curtains, as you guys can see them right behind me, these curtains are from Twopages. I collaborated with Twopages at the beginning of the year and I shared that over on my Instagram. All of the drapery in my home is from Twopages. Guys, let me tell you, one thing I learned with being a first-time homeowner is that custom drapery can be very expensive. Guys, I got quoted over $20,000. I wish I was lying. I'm not lying. I got quoted $20,000 for this exact same look. Like, what? No. Let me put you guys on Two-Page curtains, okay? I will link the exact ones that I have down below in the description box. It's really giving me that beautiful modern style that I love. And I went with a beautiful linen texture, so it still brings in that like cozy feel to the look. And I'm obsessed with them. And they're way more affordable than any crazy custom drapery company out there. Okay, and now I'm sitting closer to you guys. This little bench that I got is not for sitting purposes. I actually use it for decor. It is also from all of Ateliers. Yes, you can make this, okay? I know I've gotten a lot of comments like, I can make that, I can make that. Yes, I know you can. So if you are a DIY queen, then make it, because I'm not, okay? My eye is more for design, not for DIY projects. But I really wanted a piece behind my sofa that I can use to decorate. And right now I have just like this little decor from Olive Atelier with some sage, and I just love the look of it. But in the future, I do want to add more pieces. Little by little, I'm going to add more decor to my living room. Of course, I'm very minimalist. For those of you guys who know me, I am a very minimalist gal, and so I don't plan on adding too much, but I do want to add some more pieces here. I want to buy like a little throw, so I'm always on the hunt for one that I can display on this bench. And my rug was also one of the first purchases that I made for my home. This rug is from Zara Home. I love Zara Home. If they weren't so expensive, I would have more pieces because I love them, but they're a little too expensive, in my opinion, okay? I mean, a lot of these stores are expensive, but Zara Home, I'm like, let me just stick to clothing for them. But this rug, I do love. I'm very, 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 very happy with this purchase. It has lasted us. It has been through everything, okay? Like, I've had some gatherings here, my nieces and nephews here, and this rug has taken a beating, but it has pulled through. It's very easy to maintain. I've been able to clean it just like with some soap and water. I've been able to vacuum it. It's still in beautiful condition, and I'm very, very, very happy with the color and the size of it. You can find it over on their website. I love it very, very, very much. I don't remember the exact color of it, but I will link it down below for you guys. And then right here behind me, it is my lamp from Crate and Barrel. This lamp is also from the Athena Calderone collection. Another prized possession of mine from my favorite interior designer. It is beautiful. It has like that rattan hood that I absolutely love, which you guys will see some clips coming in and out through the entire video as I'm talking to you guys, some close-ups. And this lamp I love, okay? I'm very, very, very happy with this purchase as well. At night when the whole house is turned off and we want to quickly just turn on a light, we turn this light on, and it gives a beautiful warm tone, and we just lounge around the living room, and I love it. I knew that I had to bring something rattan into my living room, and I thought with this floor lamp, it was the perfect way to do so. And yeah, I will link it down below. Like I said, it's from Crate and Barrel. And that completes today's video, you guys. What did you think? I'm really, really, really proud with the way that my living room turned out. I feel that I really was able to express who I am, who my husband and I are through our living room. And I can't wait for you guys to see more of the changes that we will be making in the near future. And like I mentioned in the beginning, I hope you guys feel inspired, and you don't have to go and hire some crazy expensive interior designer to help you achieve your dream home. You could do it all on your own. And again, I'm really, really happy. And for those of you guys who have been patient with me, thank you so, 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 so much, because creating a home takes work and it takes time, and that's something that I've learned in the last year and a half. Like, I'm really taking my time. I'm really being specific with the pieces that I buy, and we just started working on our landscaping. If you guys follow me over on Instagram and on TikTok, then you have already seen a glimpse of what I'm doing in the outside, which I also cannot wait to share with you guys. Hopefully in the near future, I will be able to do an entire home tour for you guys, but who was I kidding? It's work, okay? So maybe in a couple months we'll be finished. I have lots of projects lined up that I can't wait to share with you guys. So thank you again for being so patient with me. This last month, I know that I wasn't uploading as frequently as I usually do, but again, I've just been so busy with home stuff, and I do try to be as active as I can be on all of my other platforms, and I'm very grateful for those of you guys who still continue to support me and who continue to tune into my videos. So don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and as always, I hope to see you guys next time. And I'm going to get back to gardening because I am currently in my gardening era. I am doing like a whole Mediterranean inspired garden that I can't wait for you guys to see what that looks like too. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys all in my next one. Bye guys.